Situated on Bursa Hollow, the old basin in Brasov County, Dumbrovica fishery stretches on an area of over 400 hectares. The protected area includes the lake and the surrounding area of 180 hectares, and some ponds and neighboring lands of over 100 hectares. In the northwestern part of the lake there is a eutrophic swamp, known by botanists even before the lake appeared, as well as some peat bogs in the area of the large ponds. These are vivid and important remains from a scientific point of view of the old eutrophic swamps and peat bogs that once covered a part of the Brasov Hillow. The Iron Gates Natural Park, the largest natural park in Romania, distinguishes through a luxuriant biodiversity, a fact which led to this protected natural region to be acknowledged both nationally and internationally. Declared a Nature 2000 site, there are 2 areas of special bird protection in the park as an integral part of the European Ecological Network. There have been identified 205 bird species, most of them water birds. There are also 30 species of mammals in the regions of the Iron Gates National Park. The small moor of Brăila, wetlands of international interest, is the last vestige of natural flooding on the interior course of the Danube, after draining the former inferior delta, which was made up of Brăila's Pond and Ialomița's Pond, that still preserves water and land ecosystems close to the initial form. There are 250 species of birds in the region, which means over 58% of Romania's avifauna. The Mureș Riverside Natural Park is located in the west of Romania in the counties of Arad and Timiș, close to the city of Arad. It has an area of 17,445 hectares, being a typical ecosystem of a wet region with flowing and stagnant waters, with alluvial woods, galleries of willows and poplars, as well as riverside coppices and filled causeways, which are important places for nesting and passage of about 200 species of birds, many of them under strict protection projects at an international level. Some tens of kilometers away from the capital in the south of Romania, we find the largest protected area of the Romanian plain. It stretches over 25,000 hectares and includes an ecosystem characteristic to the delta, sheltering 141 bird species and 13 fish, out of which the Comana umbra and chub can be found only in this natural environment. The natural park was designated as a Ramsar site, but also a site of European importance and an area of special bird protection, including the Scientific Reservation of Thorns and the Scientific Reservation of Peonies. Situated in the hydrographic basin of the seaside, Teghirghal Lake is the largest saltwater lake in Romania. Lake Teghirghal was declared a Ramsar site in 2006. While in the area there have been identified about 150 bird species present here in different seasons of the year. Lake Teghirghal is important for the winter stay of red-breasted geese, winter swans, and dwarf herons. During the migration periods, the water of the site is used by over 20,000 water birds. In 2007, it was declared an area of special bird protection, being included in the European Network of Protected Regions, Nature 2000. The Biosphere Reservation of the Danube Delta also has a triple statute of protection. Biosphere Reservation through the UNESCO project Man and Biosphere, Wetland of International Importance on the Ramsar list, and Site of the Natural, Cultural and World Patrimony. It shelters the largest population of pelicans in Europe, about 8,000 pieces, Dalmatian pelicans about 200. 60% of the world population of small cormorants, 50% of the whole population of red-breasted geese in winter, about 40,000 heads. We can say that, due to the impressive diversity of habitats and species it puts up with in a relatively small place, the Danube Delta constitutes a real museum of biodiversity, a natural bank of genes of invaluable value for the universal natural patrimony.